8 divided by 1 by 2 equals to 16. Wait, division is supposed to make numbers smaller. Then how did 8 become 16? Today, let's actually understand what division really means. Let's first understand normal division. 8 divided by 2 means how many groups of 2 fit inside 8? Let us take 8 blocks. Now group them into groups of 2. This is 2 groups, 2 groups. So there are 4 groups of 2, 3, 4. So that's why 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. Division is not just splitting. Division is actually asking how many groups can fit inside. Division asks how many groups fit. Now let's divide 8 by 1 half. This means how many halves fit inside 8? 8 divided by 1 half. Now take 8 whole blocks. Now split each block into 2 halves. Now we have 16 half pieces. So 16 halves fit inside 8. So 8 by 1 by 2 equals to 16. Smaller divisor means more groups. A half is smaller than 1. So more half groups can fit inside 8. Now what about 1/4? How many 1/4 fit inside 8? Now take 8 whole blocks. Now split each block into 1/4. This is 1 by 4. Each block contains 4 quarter pieces. So totally 32 quarters. Now 32 quarter pieces fit inside 8. 8 divided by 1 by 4 equals to 32. Smaller pieces create more groups. The smaller the divisor becomes, the more groups fit inside. That's why division by fraction can increase numbers. Now, division by fractions is no longer just a rule. You actually understand why the answer becomes bigger.